Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a lot of information to unpack for you guys about WeCreat Vision and items that they released, things that you can do right now this week, things that are probably coming out within a week or two, and we're going to dive right into this one at a time. So first up, let's talk about this week. This week, right now, they are live with the firmware update. I just did this with my machine. This makes it fully compatible with Lightburn except for the camera. They said that this machine will probably never work with the camera in Lightburn due to the way that it's built in the programming. But they did hint towards a new machine potentially being released for something that is fully compatible with the camera. So if you guys work with Lightburn and you've been wanting this for a while, go ahead and download this and you should be able to use Lightburn right now. Now with all that out of the way, the next one up is the issue that was happening with Wi-Fi. Anybody who has special characters in their Wi-Fi password was not able to connect to Wi-Fi. This was happening with me myself. So just a heads up on that. You should be able to connect to Wi-Fi now. If you can't, go ahead and contact support. They'll try and fix it. They also fix several small bugs as well. So that's great. That's something that you can do right now. Now let's talk about within a week to 2 weeks, they're going to be upgrading the software to version 2.0, which is going to allow offset paths with you can do in Illustrator, but it's going to be able to do within WeCreat Make It. They're going to be able to center text now within the actual text, just like Illustrator again. It sounds like they've got a lot of different things coming. I was talking with support about a scaling issue on import of SVGs, and hopefully that will be fixed and addressed as well. They said they were going to look into it, but they haven't confirmed yet, and I haven't been able to confirm that. So hopefully we won't have scaling on import anymore. Now, with that said, the reason why you're here is the Conveyor Belt. This was announced on April 1st. So a lot of people were thinking this was an April Fool's joke, but it's not. It is true. It's real. It'll be able to print up to 3,223 millimeters, which is equivalent to just over 10.5 feet long. So that's amazing. That's a huge project area. And then I'm going to show you guys right now, the first 100 people can save $150 on this package deal right now. You have to be able to buy the WeCreat plus the belt in order to get the package. But let me show you how to do this. First up, if you want to use our referral link, I would really appreciate it. It's down in the link below. It'll look something like this in this video that you're watching right now. And then when you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page here so you can see what the conveyor belt looks like. You're going to click on Shop Now. And if you want just the conveyor belt package, you're going to have to scroll down here on this first page here and click on the basic WeCreat and conveyor belt pack. This will be the cheapest pack you can get with the conveyor belt by itself. Now, me personally, I would recommend getting the rotary chuck. It's an extra $100 for the next package up. But as you can see, you can't find it on this page here, so it's kind of confusing. What you're going to have to do is, I'm going to leave this page up so we can get back to it here, but you're going to have to go to the top of their website, and I recommend doing this on the computer because it's easier to find. And you'll go to Conveyor right here, click on Buy Now, and it'll bring you right to this page here. As you can see, it added the rotary chuck for you. I'd recommend this package deal right here. It's only $100 more, and you're going to use the rotary tool. If you don't use it, then it's only $100 more, just in case you do want to use it. So just a heads up on that, I would really recommend that. Now, if you already have a WeCreat, on this same page is where you can get just the kit itself. So you can do the all-in-one kit, which is the maximum size. You can do just the basic kit, and then you can buy rails later if you want to do that. But I would recommend getting them all in one if you're going to do projects that long. If you're going to be just doing 4-foot projects, the basics should be fine. Now, there is the rotary kit package that I was telling you about that popped up just a second ago. And then you can also get the clean air package where you can get the ventilation system. I recommend just ventilating this out the window. But if you have no other options, you can definitely use this as an option here. But this is going to be the one that ultimately most people will pick here. And then you can go ahead and just click add to cart. And then when you go to the cart, we're going to go ahead and click checkout, and I'll show you guys how to save that money. So you're going to go ahead and type in the code Conveyor 150, and then you're going to click apply. And as you can see, that took $150 off of that package. So that puts you below the original basic pack. So you basically got a free rotary kit minus $50. So this is a super good deal. This is for the first 100 people that use that code. As you can see, as of this video, it's still live. They said it'll be the first 100 people or up until April 16th. So make sure you purchase one before the 16th. Once again, you can use our referral link down below to see if that helps save anything extra as well. Or if you want to just support us in general, we would appreciate it. Other than that, they've also hinted at a potential IR or 40-watt laser, but they didn't confirm that. They just gave head gestures that is a good possibility. So whether it's a 40-watt or even potentially higher in the future, it sounds like they're working on a whole new machine, whole new laser heads. They're putting a lot of effort in this. Like I said before, they're coming out with version 2.0 of the software. So you guys are in for a treat. They put in a lot of work. I've been very impressed. They've only been in business since October. And they've managed to pull all this off in that short amount of time. So they're putting in a huge amount of effort. And if you guys are worried about the delays, there will be a delay in shipping until about mid-May for these, because they're all in like a early bird special. As you can see, it says early bird special here. Just keep that in mind, that this product hasn't even officially launched yet until mid-May, and then they said it'll take 1 to 2 weeks for shipping from China. So just a heads up on that. Give them some time. They're working on stuff. They are cranking stuff out fast. This is impressive, and I am impressed with them as a company as a whole. If you guys have any questions for me, or you think I missed something, there was a lot in that live stream, so I may have missed something. Let me know, as always, down in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and try and answer any questions you guys have. And if you're not part of the WeCreat user group on Facebook, I and Jim run that page, as well as several other moderators. We're always there to help with any kind of questions that you might have. And if you do end up getting a new package, that would be a great place to join. We're always there to help, and it's been a great, amazing group, and I thank all of you guys for joining and being a part of that. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next video here.